Hi there everyone, in this video I will show you how to check search history on TikTok. So let's get started. First thing first, as you can see, here is my TikTok application in the bottom right corner. So I will go in TikTok and then you need to tap on this little search icon on the top right side corner. So tap on that and now you will see the recent search history right in front of you. So if you just want to delete the search history, you can simply tap on the clear all and then tap on the clear and it will delete the search history. All right, then go back and again tap on the profile icon here on the bottom right corner, and the upper side you will see the three dots. So tap on that and then in the settings and privacy just tap on that and then you need to scroll it down and until you find the activity center. So go to the activity center and here you'll see different types of search history. Like you can go with the search history and as you can see here will appear all of the searches that you have done recently or like few days ago. It will show right up here. So that's how you can simply check the search history on TikTok. So hope this video helps you out. If yes, please leave a like and comment down below if it works or not, and I will catch you guys in the pretty next one. Peace out.